Hi everyone. Till now we have done exercise 4.1 till question number 5. Now we are going to proceed further with question number 6, 7 and 8 of the same exercise. Now in question number 6 is express the given numbers as the sum of two different primes. Now what they are saying is they have given these numbers. Now these numbers you are going to write as the sum of two different primes. You are going to take any two numbers, but those two numbers have to be prime, and then you have to take those two prime numbers in such a way that when you are going to add them, they are going to give me the answer 38 here in the first part. Now if I am going to take 31 and 7, firstly I have to check the numbers which I am taking is 31 and 7, they both should be prime. 31 and 7 and prime. And the second thing which I am going to check now is that on adding these two, it should give me 38. Or what else, you can take any other number if you want to take. You just have to check, like you all know 29 is prime number. What I should add here so that I can get 38? 9. But 9 is not a prime number. Okay, so I cannot take this pair of 29 and 9. No, I cannot take it. Similarly, you can take any other number of 23. What I should add in this 23? 15? No, 15 is not a prime number, right? So in such a way we have to take the numbers so that when I'm going to add them, it should give me 38. Next is 12. Again I have taken 7 and 5. Any prime numbers you can take, but condition is only one, they both should be prime, and the addition of these should give us the required number. 7 and 5, they both are prime, add them, you will be getting 12. 53 and 7. Now 53 is prime and 7 is also prime. When you are going to add them, it is going to give us 60. D part, 73 plus 7, when you are going to add it, it is going to give 80. Similarly 24 and 16, right? So you can do this question. Now next part is question number 7 is express the given numbers as the sum of three different primes. In question 6 there were two different primes. Now you have to take three different prime numbers, and then on adding those three different prime numbers, addition should come the required number which they have asked. For example, first is 19. Now I am going to take 11, 5 and 3. Any numbers you can take, but make sure that when you are going to take these numbers, the addition has to be 19 and all those numbers has to be prime. 11, 5 and 3, add them, all are prime, and the answer should be 19. Now 27, 19, 5 and 3, add them, you will be getting 27. 39, 31, 5 and 3, add them, you will be getting 39, and you can see that 31, 5 and 3 all are prime numbers. Next is 41. How you are going to get 41? Which numbers you can add? 31, 7 and 3. You don't have to cram it, you have to just hit and try. You have to use hit and try method. For example, let me take 19 only. I need to take three numbers. First number which I have taken, which is prime, is I have taken 7. Next number I am going to take is 5. Let us suppose I have taken 5. Now what is 7 plus 5? 12. What do I want? 19. What is 19 minus 12? 7. 7. But make sure two numbers cannot be same. I have taken once, I have taken 7. I cannot again take number 7. So now this means here this is not going to work. Okay. Again you are going to take some other numbers you can take, and then you have to again hit and trial method you have to apply, and then you have to check all the three numbers which are prime should give me the addition of 19. Okay. Now next is 51. The F part I am doing, E part you can try by yourself. F part is 51. Again you have to see those numbers. Like for example, they have taken 41. You can take 37. 37, what you are going to add here? Let us add 5. What is 37 plus 5? 42. And I want 51, so I have to add 9, but 9 is not prime. So that means this case which I have considered is wrong. Now I am going to consider something else. Likewise, you are going to hit and then try. You are going to try different numbers, and then in such a way you are going to get these numbers. Okay, so this is your question number 7. Now let's move to question number 8. Question number 8 is identify 7 consecutive composite numbers between 1 and 100 so that there is no prime number between them. Okay, till here I want to explain you what they are saying. They are saying, you all know what are composite numbers. Composite numbers are the numbers which are having many multiples or you can say composite numbers are those numbers which are going on many other tables also. Now they are saying from 1 to 100 you have to write such 7 consecutive numbers. Consecutive means one after the other, like 4 after 4. What is the consecutive number? 5. What is the consecutive number after 6? 7. So these are the consecutive numbers. Now from 1 to 100 you have to write 7 such consecutive numbers from 1 to 100, such that those 7 consecutive numbers should be composite. And there are only these numbers from 90 to 96. Why? 90 to 96 are firstly from 1 to 100. Secondly, they all are consecutive, one after the other. 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96. They are 7. And last is they all are composite. That means they all are going on certain table. 90 is going on the table of 3 also, 10 also, like this. 91 is going on the table of 7, 13, so on. 92 is an even number because 2 is there, so it is obviously composite. 93 is going on the table of 3. 94 is even, so it is going on the table of 2. 95, 5 is there, it is going on the table of 5. 96 is even, so it is going on the table of 2. So this is the pair of the 7 consecutive composite numbers between 1 to 100. Now the next part. Also find the consecutive numbers that are prime from 1 to 100. How many such pairs are possible? Now they are saying you have to write the pair of consecutive numbers which are prime. Let us take 49 and 50. Consecutive pair I have taken. Are they prime? No. Let us take some other, because 49 is also going on the table of 7, 50 is also going on the table of 2, 5, 10, like so on. So they are consecutive but they are not prime. We have to take such a pair which are consecutive but prime. The only possible pair is 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are consecutive and they both are prime. Only between 1 to 100, only 2 and 3 is the pair which is possible. So only one pair is possible of the consecutive numbers that are prime from 1 to 100, and that pair is 2 and 3. Okay, so now this was your complete exercise 4.1. Complete this exercise in your notebooks. Thank you.